Welcome to my channel Creative Product Review. Here are the top 5 drone cameras of 2025. The video description includes product links where you can purchase the products. If you are interested, you can check them out. Number 1. KBDFA Drone Camera. The KBDFA new G6 Professional Foldable Quadcopter impresses with its sleek design and advanced features. Its HD camera captures clear aerial footage, while GPS ensures precise navigation. The foldable design adds portability, and obstacle avoidance technology enhances safety, making it user-friendly for beginners and enthusiasts alike. The FPV feature via Wi-Fi offers real-time video transmission, elevating the flying experience. Ideal as a gift or personal gadget, it combines affordability with performance, though battery life could be slightly improved. A solid choice overall. Number 2. LS Drone Camera. The new V168 drone is an impressive quadcopter, perfect for professionals and enthusiasts. Its standout feature is the triple 8K wide-angle cameras, delivering stunningly sharp images and videos. The GPS localization ensures precise positioning, while the 4-way obstacle avoidance system makes it safer and more reliable. Its sleek design and compatibility with Xiaomi devices add extra convenience. Whether for aerial photography or recreational use, the V168 excels in performance, offering high value at a competitive price. A top-tier drone for its category. Number 3. Eligiport Drone Camera. The Drone 8K Professional GPS HD camera offers impressive features for its price. Its 8K camera captures stunningly detailed images, while 5G Wi-Fi ensures smooth FPV video transmission. The GPS system provides stable flight and intelligent modes like Follow Me and waypoints. The 5.9-inch large screen on the remote adds convenience, displaying real-time footage clearly. Its compact SG-109 Pro Max design makes it portable, and the UAV's durable build inspires confidence. A great choice for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Number 4. Mijia Drone Camera. The Xiaomi SG-901 Max GPS drone impresses with its 8K HD camera, delivering sharp, vibrant aerial shots. Its obstacle avoidance feature enhances safety, making it user-friendly for beginners and professionals alike. The folding design and brushless motor ensure portability and durability, while the large screen remote adds convenience for live monitoring. GPS precision provides steady flights and accurate returns. Overall, it's a fantastic drone for its price, offering excellent features for photography, videography, and recreational flying. Highly recommended for enthusiasts. Number 5. Mijia Drone Camera. The Xiaomi Z908 Pro Max drone impresses with its 8K dual cameras that deliver stunning clarity and vivid detail, perfect for professional aerial photography. Its GPS functionality ensures precise navigation, while the brushless motor provides smooth, reliable performance. The optical flow hovering enhances stability, making it user-friendly for beginners and pros alike. Its foldable design is travel-friendly, and the 10,000 range allows for breathtaking exploration. Overall, this quadcopter offers exceptional value, blending advanced features with durability and ease of use. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.